If you want to customize the home screen on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then here's what you can do. So first of all, we can press and hold our finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to find home settings. And now in here we have a bunch of different customization options. For example, we have the at a glance widget settings. So if you tap on this setting icon, then you can personalize your at a glance. You can decide what information should be provided by at a glance. We can also decide if you want to have new apps added into the home screen or not. We can also manage suggestions and so on and so forth. But besides that, of course, we can customize the home screen or actually the content of the home screen as well. So for example, if you want to add a new app, you can go to the app drawer, press and hold your finger on the app that you want to add. Once you see these options, you can start moving the app around, and then you will be redirected into the home screen and you can place an app over here. If you want to remove an app, then you can press and hold it, and once you see these options again, start moving in order to find the remove option, which can be over here in the middle, or it can be placed more on the left side. In this case, we are just removing the app from the home screen, not completely from the phone. And of course, you can undo this action if you accidentally get rid of something, at least for a selected period of time. Now, besides that, what you can do is, of course, create folders, just like this one over here. In order to create a folder, you need to move an app on top of another app. So, for example, like this. And of course, we can keep adding apps into the same folder. And of course, we can tap on the folder in order to open the full list of apps that are placed inside that folder. We have the name, we can tap on the name. Sometimes it is automatically generated, sometimes we don't have a name at all of the folder, but you can customize the name pretty easily. And that's unfortunately everything that we can do with the folder. We can just change the position of the folder and we can rename the folder, and that's all, unfortunately. So lack of huge personalization of folders, unfortunately, over here. And besides folders and apps, we also have widgets, of course. So you can easily add a widget into the home screen by, once again, pressing and holding your finger on an empty space. And over here we have widgets. You can find some example widgets over here. But if you scroll down, we have the list of apps that include at least one widget, of course. So if you want to add a certain widget, what you can do is simply tap on the app, and then you should be able to find all available widgets from or provided by the specific selected app. If you want to add a widget, you can tap on the widget to reveal the add button, and then you can tap on add button to add the first available space, or you can press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you can just place it pretty much anywhere you wish it to be placed. In some cases, we can resize widgets by using these circles that we have on the sides, so it looks more or less like this, of course. However, in some cases, resizing options are limited. So for example, you can only change the width of the widget. In some cases, we can only change the height of the widget. And in some cases, we cannot change the size at all. If you want to get rid of a widget, you can just do exactly the same thing as you do with an app, just like that. And of course, we also have pages. So if you have more pages created, if you want to remove a page, you just need to remove everything that you have on that page. Well, move or remove, actually. To summarize, you just cannot have anything left on that page. Once you get rid of everything from that page, the page will be removed. If you want to create a new page, then of course we can easily do that by placing something into a new page. So for example, if I start moving this app, if I go all the way to the right side, as you can see, we have this blank page. And if I drop something over here, if there is at least one item in the home screen page, on the home screen page, then you should be able to create a new page. And that is pretty much everything that we can do in terms of the customization of the home screen. Of course, we also have a wallpaper, which we can also change quite easily by pressing and holding our finger. Over here we have some example of wallpapers, or you can go to wallpaper and style, and over here you should have home screen selected immediately. Here we have a bunch of different options that we can go through. Oh, and of course, by the way, we have the layout as well, so you can customize the layout a little bit. You can customize the appearance of icons too by using the themed icons option. And that should be pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.